China has left the world in awe with its incredible advancements in construction and technology. The story of this 57-story building is one that will surely amaze you. China's rapid progress has cemented its status as a global superpower, and this feat is just another example of how far they've come. Before beginning any construction project, timelines and schedules are carefully planned to ensure mega projects are completed on time. However, China has consistently surprised the world with its remarkable achievements in record time. Today, we'll discuss the construction of a 57-story building in China that was completed in just 19 days. It may sound unbelievable, but this is a 100% true story. China's construction industry has achieved something that no other country has managed to do so quickly. This impressive building is a hospital, and it's important to understand that constructing a hospital typically takes years. So, how did China manage to build such a massive structure in such a short time? This building now holds the record for being the tallest structure ever built in such a brief period. Experts in the construction field have confirmed that no other building of this height has been constructed in such a short time. This building was erected in China's Hunan province, in a city called Changsha, and the hospital is named Huoshenshan. The construction of this building proves that China is years ahead of the rest of the world in high-speed construction and cutting-edge engineering. If you watch videos of this building's construction, you'll see that each floor was built with extreme precision. Each brick was laid meticulously, and the entire structure was constructed with the utmost care and skill. Remarkably, during the construction, Chinese engineers and workers completed 3 floors per day. Imagine how challenging it must be to build a 3-story building in just 24 hours. To achieve this incredible feat, Chinese engineers and workers worked day and night, astonishing the world with their dedication. Safety protocols were strictly followed, ensuring that there was no compromise on the building's strength and durability. As a result, when the building was completed, major construction companies from around the world were invited to China to inspect it. After thorough inspections, safety certificates were issued, proving the high standards of Chinese engineering. This hospital spans 60,000 square meters and involved the efforts of 7,000 workers working together. Additionally, 1,400 soldiers from the Chinese military contributed to the construction. The hospital contains 30 wards and has the capacity for 1,000 beds. The reason for building this hospital was the city's population of nearly 11 million people. The hospital was constructed immediately after the outbreak of the coronavirus, as hospitals in Wuhan and other Chinese cities were overwhelmed. At the same time, China made headlines for constructing another hospital with 500 beds in just 10 days, demonstrating the immense hard work and dedication of the Chinese people. Today, China stands as the world's leading superpower, transforming deserts into oases and leading the charge in technology. It's a well-known fact that China and the United States are major rivals, with China having surpassed the U.S. in many areas. The rapid transformation of China is unparalleled in human history. There isn't a single field where China hasn't made its mark. 4 decades ago, China realized that the key to its economic and social progress lay in high technology and mass production. As a result, R&D, research and development, has become a fundamental part of China's industrial sector, including both private and government initiatives. From 2000 to 2023, China's R&D spending grew by an astonishing 20% annually, setting a global record. In comparison, Japan's R&D spending stands at 30 to 35%, which has been the secret behind Japan's remarkable growth. As a result of its focus on R&D, China has surpassed the U.S. and taken the lead on the global stage. China's international patents far exceed those of the U.S., proving that even in innovation, the U.S. struggles to keep up. According to the World Intellectual Property Organization, the number of international patents filed by China has increased by a staggering 200 times in the last 20 years. One of the key reasons behind China's rapid progress is the Spark program, which laid the foundation for China's technological and economic development. The Spark program has encouraged the growth of small and medium-sized industries, fostering private sector growth and laying the groundwork for China's economic advancement. The Spark program has also provided the necessary funds for research and development, which has greatly contributed to technological advancements and the improvement of various industries' performance and efficiency. The program focused on essential technologies for China's development, including information technology, biotechnology, nanotechnology, energy, and space engineering. China has given special attention to the promotion of science and technology, not only domestically, but also by sending experts abroad to learn and bring back knowledge. Realizing the importance of food security, China first focused on the agricultural sector, knowing that solving the basic issue of food would be crucial. The government promoted agricultural farming, bringing in experts from around the world to improve the sector. As a result, within a short time, China not only addressed its food shortage but also turned agriculture into a major source of foreign exchange. In conclusion, China's remarkable achievements have led it to become a superpower, and there's no doubt that its dedication and innovation will continue to shape the future. What do you think about China's rapid progress? Share your thoughts in the comments section. We'll meet again in the next video. Until then, take care of yourself and those around you.